Oh yeah, guys, again, this is a boy Dennis here. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscription button there and don't forget to share with your friend as well, because in this channel we talk about making money online. So yeah, that's it, guys. I know it's hard on this pandemic, so most of people are struggling and they're home, nothing, they're doing nothing. But I have something that it can make you feel happy, man. You can make something, even if it won't make you rich, but you can make something, you know. I have two websites today that we're gonna talk about, and we're gonna see about how you can use these websites to make money online, even with when you're sleeping, you know, when you're doing nothing, but you can make money using this website. So yeah, we are going to see them. We're going to check them out. Website number one, it's called GPT gptplanet.com. This is a website number one that we're gonna start. The GPT Planet, it said any money by completing simple tasks online. Everyone can join this, absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. What you have to do is you register now and start making money. Simple as that. They said, first of all, you just join, and to earn at GPT Planet, you can earn by completing simple tasks like viewing advertisement, referring new members, and completing offers. So in this website, first you can earn by completing taxes, and also you can earn by referring your friend. You earn simple as that. And also you can cash out your earnings to Skrill account or Netter account or Pay account or Perfect Money account or your Bitcoin wallet. The minimum to cash out is just $1. Simple as that, guys. So yeah, you get money simple as that by just doing some few tasks and also referring your friend. I'm not gonna go through all this, but you can just go here, simple as that, because there's no any technical skills which is required in this website. That's why I like it, and it is genuine. You don't, there's no scam in this website. Everyone who are using this are cashing out, and to cash out is just $1. If you have $1, you can cash out your account. So simple as that, guys. So you just register. You're gonna follow this the step-by-step training, which is gonna tell you everything. So you're good to go. You can start earning your money. Simple as that, you know. So you can connect your bank accounts, your Bitcoin wallet, your anything to this website, so that you can be able to cash out your earnings. So simple as that. The website number two, sorry, it's called ptcshare.com. In ptcshare.com, let's see here. In the ptcshare.com, you earn money by watching videos. You know, you earn money by watching videos. There's I'm gonna talk through everything inside the once we get in, but first of all, I just want to check something. Also, you can check the members how much are cashing out money. You see, there's a lot of proof inside here. I think okay, so we have to see on how these people are cashing money. So the first of all, with this website, what you have to do is you just sign up. Once you sign up, everything once you sign up, as you can see, first you can read this, a PTC share is more than just a paid to click, tons of way to earn money for free. This is true, guys, because I'm going to show you what I mean inside in this. And you can just read through this. You can go through this. Everything goes step by step. Read, you know. And also here it's a any money online in just a few minutes. That's true. It's a any money with PTC share. Once you register an account, there will be some cash ads already waiting for you. You will, as you can see here, there will be some cash ads already waiting for you. So it means you earn money by watching ads, or there's a lot of things that I'm going to show you inside once you get to the members area first. You will also have to welcome gift of 100 BAB in your account, which will enable to receive some more cash ads. Or while you wait on those, make sure to earn yourself more BAB by viewing a few of our advertisers messages, which will allow you to receive even more cash ads. While you wait on receiving more cash ads, make sure to have a look at our offer section, where many various texts were waiting you with more possibility to earn. Join us here. You can just click here to log in. Once you join here, once you click where say join us, you fill up everything with your details. Is going to bring you somewhere. It's here. So see, this is the members area. This is how it looks like. So when you are here, you just come here. You don't have to go where far, but you can see payment proof, how people are cashing out, something like that. You can go through by yourself and see how people are cashing out, But in this tutorial, I'm not gonna do that. You can go by yourself, but I'm gonna just click here where it say N here. Or you can click it to the dashboard. You can see everything or balance. As you can see here, my balance is 0 because I'm just showing you on how you can make money, guys. I did a research. Everything is correct 100%. So there's nothing to worry about. And the PTC share is correct 100% website, which is, it allows you to make money online, and it is 100% legit. There's nothing to worry about. It is trusted, no fraud, no scam. Hope you get it. That's what I like mostly. Remember also in this channel, I don't recommend things which doesn't work. I recommend for things which works only. So that's it. So you just, come here with say N. You just click here. There's a lot of things that you can see. There's a view ads, offer wars, surveys, videos, PTC wars, click guild, refer friend. So in this way, we are going to, if you want to make more money, you just come where you say view ads and refer friend. We're gonna start with a view ad. You can just click here. And also don't forget, I'm gonna leave the link below of this website, ptcshare.com. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I think my network is not okay, but anyway, can go back. I don't know what's wrong, man. I don't know what's wrong. Okay, here you go. Okay, here we go. You say view or activate ad, get 5 pad. So once you view this ad, you'll be able, okay, once you view the, like example this one, once you view this ad, you'll be able to earn 0.002 US dollars. Simple as that. You can go, you can continue. There's more than 13 offers that you can do. I don't know how much you're gonna make. You can just go yourself and see everything there. So yeah, those are the only way that you can make money using PTC share. And also there's a way that you can make also by referring your friend. This is a way that it can make you a lot of money by referring your friends. I know in this viewing ad, you're not going to make a lot of money because there's a 0.000 per one ad. But yeah, if you stick in doing it consistently, you can make a lot of money. But I only like referring friend, like what I'm doing now. I'm referring you, right? Because I'm gonna leave the link below, and I believe you're gonna click that link to come to this website. So that's what I like to sharing with my friend, sharing with my family, sharing with everyone the secret that I see, So that's what I do always. So I make sure that I don't make a mistake. I share with my friend what works. So simple as that. So once you click here and say share with your friend, it's going to bring somewhere here. Let's say here, as you can see, you can just choose everywhere that you want, Once you come here, it said you can just come and read everything. So tell your friend about the PTC share by giving them your referral link, you know, shown below. By referring, you will receive the following benefit. Number one, you will earn 7% commission on their every ad purchase, 3% commission on the value of their ad clicks. You know, this is amazing, guys. By referring, you earn a lot of money. And also they're eligible for addition daily refer and refer ad issue. A ton of achievement points, increasing your part of the daily achievement ad issue. So this is the, once you are here, guys, you can just copy your link and give to your friends. Simple as that. And once they click here, you'll be able to make money. Simple as that, guys. This is how you make money in these two websites that I've showed you. And I'm sure this website, they are working 100%, guys. There's no fraud, no scam, no edit. I do the research. These are webs absolutely fine and fantastic. They are tested, guys. So you can use this website to make a lot of money. As you see, guys, there's a proof, there's everything. You can go through and check everything on your own. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, I share always the things which makes sense. You know, I don't command things which doesn't work. I test, I do a research 100%, then I come and review to you guys and recommend to you. So if this video gives value, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share with your friend, comment also below if you have any question. Don't be shy, guys, because I'm here for you, man. That's it, guys. So yeah, that's it. And also don't forget to subscribe, share with your friend, with your family, with anybody who is interested in making money with this pandemic. I know it's hard with everybody, you know. Yeah, so that's it. I make most of my money online because I do a lot of things for me to make money. I do affiliate marketing. That's the most thing. And if you're interested about that, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description so that you can go and learn everything what I do, you know, what I do making money online, because I make money online. That's my thing. I don't depend with any job. I hope you heard me. I don't depend with any job. Simple as that, man. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next day. I don't have anything to say much, man, because yeah, simple as that. Bye bye. See you in the next video.